Guys, let's talk. If you run business in Nigeria and you don't have any support system, you don't have investors, you don't have loyal customers who are coming back to you every season to patronize you, you don't even have a steady source of income to say, we must do this number every month. In our business, we do 10 million or we do 15 million or we do 3 million a month. You don't have a sustainable system. You should be scared. At this point, you should be panicking. The system wasn't designed to help you at the beginning, but now the system is more corrupt than ever. And if you are not serious, it's going to sweep you away. Some of you are going to be in business in the next 10 years. I'm not lying to you. You're still going to be doing what you're doing now. But the truth is that you will be earning peanuts. You will be earning money that cannot pay for your child's tuition fee. You'll be making money in your business, but it will just be exchange. You're just taking money and buying, taking money, buying products, selling to them, just rotating like my mother did. She was so busy earning money from her petty trading, but they were serving the masters. They will make money, they will go and buy the same product, they will make money again, they will go and buy product. They will finish doing consistent transaction for 1 quarter, but they will be in debt. What happened? Where did the money go to? I thought we were doing business. I thought we were earning money. The truth is that you're actually making money, but you don't have a system. And that's what I want to talk to you about. The biggest empires you are seeing, like Dangote, Elumelu, some of us who is watching this video may never get half of what those guys have today. You may not even near quarter. I'm not saying this to scare you, but I'm saying this because these legends, these big business owners, they know secrets that small business owners, entrepreneurs, or career people don't know. And because you don't know it, you will struggle. Listen, if you don't know how to evolve, that's number one thing. If you don't know how to evolve, to say, I was doing this at this point in my life, it was serving me. I was in secondary school, I was in university when I started this business. And now, I should be opting for something else. Not entirely different, but a new level. Let me give you an instance. If I'm a photographer, which I used to be, my goal shouldn't be to stay as a photographer for the next 10 years. Say I'm trying to build a business. It's not going to work. I've done that for the past 10 years of my life. So what do I need to do at this point? All I need to do is, how do I build a franchise business out of photo studios? How can I have 10 branches? How can I have 20 branches? Or which other aspect of photography can I focus my attention on to move the business further? Another instance, if I'm in the business of selling hair, and then I'm selling it in a supermarket or in a shop just on the roadside, the rightful question to ask is, how can I incorporate e-commerce into what I'm doing? Not just selling on your WhatsApp status. How do I open a shop where somebody in UK can shop from my shop, or someone in Dubai can buy from me, someone in UK can buy from me, even while I'm asleep? That's the future of that business. If you want to keep doing it the same way you've been doing it for the past 10 years, you will lose money. And if you're a career person, ask yourself, how can I take this business or this my career to the online space? How can I take what I'm doing to earn more on the online space more than I'm earning in my workplace? Don't get so loose and so distracted with what is happening in your office that you cannot see what's happening in the future. I was in a room over the weekend in ABJ. I was interacting with senior colleagues and I listened to them very attentively. I listened to them, noting things in my mind that these guys are doing that separated them from the crowd. Why people are complaining there is hardship. These two guys I was discussing with, they are building houses, they are making investments abroad, they are buying assets for their own children who are just 2-3 years old. And you're in your 40s watching this video, you're in your 30s, and you don't have any hope. I want to tell you this. You are the owner of your life at this point. You own your business, you own your career, you can change anything that you feel that is not working. Second thing you have to learn if you must scale as a business owner or a career person, you must learn how to sell to people, how to persuade people. I'm not saying compel people to do what they don't want to do. No, how to persuade people to do what they need. Show them what you have to sell to them, what problem you have to solve for them, and present it in such a compelling manner that they will have to give you their money and go with your product and make sure that the product they are buying from you is very good. If you don't know how to sell, you will lose from the big market. The biggest risk you are taking as a small business owner is that you are the only one doing the whole thing by yourself. You don't have a delegation system. So how do you intend to grow? Big businesses grow not because they are powered with finances from day one. No, it is that they are designed to grow. Dangote did not become Dangote by mistake. These guys grew to a point and they incorporated other people, other ideas, other people's system, opinion to scale. Why are you not scaling as a small business owner? It's not because you don't have money. It is because you don't have the right design. And I would recommend the book, The E-Myth Revisited. Go and read that book. If you want to scale your career, that book is one of those books you have to read over and over. I think I'm reading it for the fourth or the fifth time now. You need that book to design your company. Then the next thing you need to learn is network. If you follow me on this channel, I've talked about that so many times. Because you are young and because you started your business from the roadside, it will be very, very difficult to scale. The movement you ought to make will be very difficult. The reason is that you don't even know what it means to network with people. You are so busy. You are in the poorest part of the society, which is also the busiest. The poorest guys are the busiest, and they're so busy with so many distractions, not even relevant to their growth. I'm saying this because it's coming from my heart. I've been where you are. I was doing business without accounting system. I was doing business without understanding sales. I was doing business without knowing who my customers are and who my clients are. Imagine you are confused now. Customers and clients. You don't know who they are. You don't know the difference. So somebody is buying from you. You are treating them as clients. And somebody is your client already. You are treating them as customers. They are two different individuals. They deserve different approach. Listen to me. The market is red. You can't even raise money. You can't even get investors. You can't even get people to buy into your product the way they used to buy because they are also complaining. They are complaining bitterly. Fifth thing to do is look for a product that the rich people need and they need it on a consistent basis. Develop your business or your career to service that market. It's a huge market because the rich people will buy from you and they will refer you easily. If you keep selling to the poor people, I'm not saying it's not good. Sell to masses, beautiful. But have products that the people, your customers are not going to price before they buy. If you go to free station, you don't price them. If you go to supermarket, you don't price them. If you go to Dangote to buy cement, you don't price those commodities. The same thing is applicable to your services. Why you are broke in business is because people price everything you're selling before they buy from you. You're making clothes, they price you. You're selling shoes, they price you. You can't go to Jumia and price people online. You can't go to Konga, you can't go to Amazon and be pricing things. If you want to scale up in this economy, you must master personal branding. Yes, that's what I said. I'm your guy. I'm telling you the market has changed. The game has changed. You must come online. I was speaking with a pastor brother and I told him, sir, close some of your branches, bring it online. You will have more reputation, more respect, more attention, and make more resources for the kingdom if you understand the tweak. Most of us who are in the ministry, most of us who are in business, we failed to understand the tweak when the market shifted. And that's why we kept doing what we're doing, thinking it will work now. Life doesn't work that way. At all, it doesn't work that way. And I won't lie to you. You have to do something different. Today, you are not going to make any other progress if you don't change. Life is happening. Guys, I'm not wearing suit. I'm not doing a conventional video. I'm talking to you as my friend. You're asking, what do you want to do? Oh, Mr. Ennis, what can I do? Come to my DM. Tell me what you do. Join my WhatsApp group. I'm going to kickstart a heavy class for them. They don't even know what is coming. I'm going to kickstart a very massive class with them there. And I want you to be part of them. It's a free class. But be warned, you must be disciplined. You must be focused. to win this race. I love you guys, and I believe in you. Thank you.